morning, everybody. It's great to be part of this important meeting. I think Ashan, you and your entire organization, Rights to Play, has been making such important, significant opportunities in terms of looking at peaceful discussions. Very specifically, Roads to Rights has been a fundamental organization dealing with youth striving for human rights, but also you've been raising a critical issue that very few organizations have been talking about, that what are human rights of young people. Before I go and talk about that, I would really like to talk about the important discussion about purposeful play. And the context of peace building is absolutely significant. The first World Conference took place in Geneva in 1936. We've seen 11 other world conferences that have taken place since then. The 30s, the 40s, the 50s, 60s, 80s, 90s, 2000, and more recently last year in Colombo again. What is very critical in all these conferences is a very strong voice of young people. Every single young woman and young man have said they are looking for ending all forms of violence. They're striving for peaceful societies. Purposeful play provides a very important tool. I think we know that young people do not just want to talk about peace building. They want to look at what are participatory and experiential methodologies that create an ecosystem that supports peace building. They look at the political, social, cultural, and other aspects, especially civil rights, as significant process of peace building processes. So again, congratulations to all of you that are attending this very important meeting. And of course, I want to take this opportunity and join Ashan and the entire team of Roads to Rights that have been fighting and asking for creation of a declaration on human rights. So please, as we know that we're celebrating 20 years of the World Programme for Action on Youth and the Beijing Plus 20, and very soon we'll be talking about the third Habitat 3 conference coming up. We are looking at a world where young people are huge in numbers, 1.8 billion. We're looking at the second youth bulge coming in Africa. But we also know that the world needs to be much more peaceful. We really want to look at peace. We really need to look at creative, innovative, and participatory methodologies such as purposeful play. So again, congratulations, and I wish you all the very best.